Welcome to the Station Bakery. Today I am going to show you how to make these cute BOHO hot chocolate bombs. I am starting by melting down my white chocolate and adding in candy food coloring. I am using yellow, orange, and black to create this soft tan color. Now I am adding my colored chocolate into my chocolate bomb mold. For this tutorial, I am using a 3-inch mold. I chose this size so that it looks similar to the size of a candy apple versus the regular 2.5-inch size hot chocolate bomb mold. I am scraping out a lot of this chocolate that has pooled to the bottom. This is very important because I want the chocolate shells to be thin on those bottom parts, so I am able to add a hole to stick the straw inside of the hot chocolate bomb. I am using my hot pan method to melt down this first half of my hot chocolate bomb. I am using regular milk chocolate, hot chocolate mix, and some marshmallows, but please feel free to use any of my other mini recipes like pumpkin spice, cinnamon roll, or apple cider to create these hot chocolate bombs. I fill up the bottom half and then I set it to the side. I have a number 3 piping tip that I have heated up, and I am using this to create the hole that my straw is going to slide through. As you can see, my chocolate was pretty thick, so make sure that you make a very thin coat of chocolate. I fill in the bottom of the hole, and this is going to hold the straw in place. I'm also going to add a little bit over the top of it just for extra security. It is also very important to note that you can use thinners to thin out your chocolate, but when it comes to adhering the stick onto the hot chocolate bomb, you will need to use chocolate that has not been thinned. The oils in the thin chocolate just does not allow the bombs to stick to the stick, so use regular chocolate. Place the top onto the bottom and use your finger or offset spatula to remove any excess chocolate and smooth out those seams. Now we're ready to decorate. I am keeping this boho style very simple. I am adding some edible gold leaf onto the outside of the cocoa bomb and just adding it sporadically. I will have all of these materials and things linked in the description below. I drizzle some hot chocolate over that gold leaf and placing it inside of a tannish colored cupcake liner and adding a bow. This boho hot chocolate bomb is ready to be packaged. I think it's so simple yet so cute. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this hot chocolate bomb. Alright, now let's get it packaged. I am using a candy apple plastic box. I will also have a brown paper version linked in the description below for you. Add it to your milk or pour your milk over it and watch the magic happen. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure that you check out my many other tutorials and watch these videos next. And until next time, peace.